So this week's word of the week for week number 29 is aerobic conditioning. Now, aerobic conditioning is defined as physical training in aerobic activities over an extended period of time. Aerobic exercises include the following: hiking, biking, running, swimming, rowing, and much, much more. So make sure you get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 28 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have high knees. Exercise number 2, we have lateral lunges. Exercise number 3, we have mountain climbers. And exercise number 4, we have squat jumps. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 28. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have high knees. So what we're gonna do is kind of stagger our feet slightly, and then we're gonna, if you want, put your hands out in front of you and get your knees up to your hands. Try to keep your hands straight so it gives your knees a target. And then if you want to chop, go a little bit faster. Again, get those knees as high as you can, okay? Exercise number 2, we have lateral lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my feet together. I'm gonna go and extend my leg to the right or left. Completely up to you. I'm gonna start with my right. And then I'm gonna drop my hip down towards my knee and then come down. Okay, and then put my feet back together, and then I'm gonna switch. Left side, it's gonna go out. Again, drop my hip down towards my knee, and I'm gonna go back and forth. Okay, those are called lateral lunges. Exercise number 3, we got mountain climbers. So we're gonna come on down to our mats or the floor. Okay, similar to a push-up position, we're gonna have our feet staggered. One foot's gonna be back, one's gonna be forward. And we're gonna actually try to get our, kind of like a running stance, and get our knees to switch to our chest. So we're gonna run in place, again, getting our knees to our chest. And last but not least, we're gonna do squat jumps. So make sure you have your feet shoulder width apart, like you're in a box. You're gonna go in and squat down, and then explode up. Squat down, and explode up, okay? So make sure you guys get ready for a Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. High knees, get them up, get them up, get them up. And if you want to put your hands up, give yourself a target, or you can chop side to side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Remember, 30 seconds of work, my friends. Let's go, work, 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 work. Make sure you guys breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. 10 more seconds, you're doing great. Keep it up, let's go. Remember the motto, just finish, my friends. Lateral lunges coming up in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Again, extend your leg out, drop your hip down to your knee, and switch. Great job, my friends. And focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Do the best you can. As long as your body's moving, that's all that matters, my friends. Work hard, work hard. You've got it. Let's go. Doing great. All right, we're gonna go on down to mountain climbers. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, alternate your legs, your knees to your chest. Let's go. Just finished, my friends. At your own speed. If you guys can go faster, great. If you need to slow it down, step it out, that's okay as well. And as long as your body's moving. All right, let's go. Squat jumps. Your shoulders apart and drop. Explode. Explode. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go, my friends. Work hard, play hard, my friends. that time. All right, 1 minute rest. Woo! If you guys are enjoying this workout, make sure you high five that subscribe button and that bell notification. Grab some water, shake out your legs, shake out your arms. You guys are doing awesome. Halfway down, my friends. Again, great thing about these workouts, limited time, no equipment, super easy to follow along. What you gotta do is have the motivation to work hard and do your best. That's all that matters. We have 15 seconds left. If you guys also want to check out Mr. Garcia's second YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts, you can head on over there. After the workout, you get nothing but the workouts, my friends. All right, here we go. And starting with high knees. All right, start again. 3, 2, 1, and go. High knees, let's go, let's go, let's go. Round two, my friends. Work hard, play hard. Just finish, my friends. Let's go. You got it. Seconds left. You got it. Let's go. Work. Woo! I'm definitely fun today. All right, let's go. Lateral lunges. Step to the side. Lateral means to the side. Great way to catch your breath. Let's go. Still moving. Great way to catch your breath. We got mountain climbers coming up next. Awesome job, my friends. 2 more. All right, let's go. Get on down. Mountain climbers. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Get those knees going. Push. Push through, my friend. Perseverance. All right, let's go. Quad jumps. Drop, explode. Drop, explode. Let's go. Work, my friends. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to get 20. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's go. Bonus 21. All right, my friends. Great job for completing this Fast 5 workout. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Use a virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 28. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of the workout. What was the most challenging workout? What was the least challenging exercise? Drop a comment down below. Again, don't forget you guys can drop a comment of what exercise you would like to see on future Fast 5 workouts. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you and it's called Cyclone. Now this game was inspired by Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. Yes, if you smell what The Rock is cooking. Yes, this game is inspired by that. If you have not seen it, it's called The Titan Games on NBC. Make sure you guys check it out. So stay tuned and we'll get to the activity in just a moment. All right, so for this activity, I just used a few household items. So I used a water bottle. That's gonna be your target that you're gonna knock down. I used a hanger, and then I attached a string. If you guys don't have string, you could always use a grocery bag, just kind of make it long. And then I used the top of a coffee lid. I cut out the inside, remember, to put tape so you do not hurt your hands. And this is gonna be your sling. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll do the demonstration for the activity in just a moment. All right, so as you can see behind me, I actually have my activity ready to go. I made a square, so this is gonna be where you're gonna stand. You are not gonna be allowed to move this square. You're actually gonna stay here the whole time, but you're gonna spin around. And while you're spinning, you're gonna hold onto your hanger, and then your job is to swing and knock down the water bottles. Now you have to be spinning in order to, so you can't just go like this, sideways, one way. You actually have to be spinning the whole time. So you're gonna have to squat down low, you're gonna have to go up high, swing it high just so you knock them down. So it is challenging. So if you wanted to make this a 1-minute challenge, you can see how many bottles you can knock down of the 5 in 1 minute, or you can do this in challenge and see how long it takes you to knock down all 5 of the items. So it's completely up to you. Again, your job is to use this lid to knock down all the bottles. Another modification you can also do is you can have one of your main targets, or the last targets, the most challenging, fill it up with a little bit of water inside the bottle to make it a little more challenging, more heavier to drop. Here we go, I'm gonna go my 1-minute attempt. I'm gonna see if I can knock down all 5 bottles in 1 minute. Again, this is called Cyclone. Starting 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1. That's 2. Four. Last one. 5. At 59 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna have Jordan give it a try on Cyclone. All right, here we go. Jordan's turn. He's gonna do the 1-minute challenge for Cyclone. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1. 2, then 3, 4, last one. I guess go up higher. Stay in the square. Move your body, you gotta spin. You gotta keep spinning, Jordan. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. In the square. 20 seconds left. Keep spinning, stay in the square. Seconds.
I can't get the high one.
And time is up. So Jordan got 4 bottles down.
I can't get the
Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Cyclone. Thanks again to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson for the inspiration. And please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.